In this video, I'm going to show you how to use School Psych AI Sophia to write a friendly letter home. You could craft it in an email, then send it to parents to show them that their child is doing a good job and making good progress. Let's get started. You're going to head to app.schoolpsych.ai. We're inside of the Studio Writer. We're going to go ahead and click that Studio Writer thread to create a new button. And you can title this whatever you like. We're going to call this email letter home or friendly letter home, whatever you want to call it. We'll create that thread. We're going to add in a section. And again, we're just going to call this, let's call it friendly letter home. Click create. And that's going to create a new templated section for you. Once it opens up, you're going to head to tools. Under tools, you're going to go to the search button. As you search, just type in letter and it pops up this friendly letter home. If you want to favorite it, hit the star. Now it should show up in your favorites. Go ahead and click friendly letter home. If you have something you want to convert from a PDF, you can do that, but I find it easier to just do the text input. Then we're going to paste in the prompt. And this prompt is, I need a warm, positive email to send home to the parents of a 7-year-old student who has been working hard on improving their reading skills. The student has shown great perseverance in decoding unfamiliar words and has gained confidence in reading aloud. Go ahead and click that Create Friendly Letter Home button. And it'll take a few seconds to run. And as that's running, you can tailor that prompt. It's going to be down in the description below to fit your kid, add in whatever context, any words of encouragement that you want. Now, in just a few seconds, you see that it's popped up inside of our Studio Writer. What I find particularly powerful about the Studio Writer thread is the ability to edit once you get that response. So I can delete, change the color. I can do whatever I want to go ahead and edit. You see that it just came back student's name. I can say celebrating Johnny's reading progress, dear Johnny's dad, or Mr. Cash, whatever you want to put here. But the cool thing is you can come in and edit directly inside of these responses to make it even more customizable. I'm writing to share some wonderful news about Johnny's progress. Again, you can edit, read through this entire thing. All right. Once you read through, you confirm that it looks good. You keep scrolling. You add in your information here to make it fit for you. The really cool part about it, we've added in a phone call script. So let's say that you want to call before you send the email. This gives you an actual script that you can use to call home as well, which is really neat. All right. Once you review that, you can copy this, paste in your email, whatever email provider you're using. You can export to a Word doc. Give this a try. Let us know what you think. Like this video and make sure that you're subscribed so you never miss a video. Until next time, take care, everyone.